English short stories. The voice I couldn't ignore. When I arrived at work that morning, I felt confident about the presentation I had prepared. I had spent days organizing the information, checking every detail carefully, and practicing what I wanted to say. However, just before the meeting started, my coworker Amanda looked at my slides and said, "This seems a little confusing. Are you sure people will understand it?" She probably did not mean to sound harsh, but her comment immediately made me nervous. During the presentation, her words of criticism set up camp in my head and made me doubt myself all day. Every time I explained a new point, I wondered if I sounded unclear or unprepared. Even when some coworkers nodded in agreement, I focused only on the possibility that I was doing badly. My hands became sweaty, and I started speaking faster than usual because I wanted the presentation to end quickly. After the meeting, my manager thanked me for the effort I had put into the project. A few colleagues also told me they found the information useful and easy to follow. Even so, Amanda's comment continued to repeat itself in my mind during lunch and on my way home. I realized that negative words often stay with us longer than positive ones, especially when they touch our insecurities. That evening, I decided to look at the situation more calmly. Instead of treating Amanda's criticism as proof that I had failed, I tried to see it as only one opinion among many others. I understood that doubting myself for an entire day had exhausted me emotionally and prevented me from recognizing my own abilities. From then on, I promised myself I would listen to criticism without allowing it to control my confidence.